Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Luma AI. So I have it here open up on my browser, but you can use any browser that you want. I'm just going to be using Google Chrome, and let's try it for free right here by clicking on Try Now in Dream Machine. So just click it right there, and then I'm just going to sign in with Google right here, but you can use any account that you want. I'm just going to use Google, so I'm just going to click on Continue. And then right here, you can go over and watch the tutorial, but I'm right here to tell you on how it works. So right here, you just press on Start a Board, and then right here, you can choose which one you want. So create an image, make a video, or make a character. So I'm just going to click on Create an Image right here. So it's a sample. So it's basically just like ChatGPT, but it specializes in creating or making videos or generating images. So I'm just going to click on Enter. And then right here, you can just wait for it. And then right here, it says that it's streaming. And this is just another word, their word for generating. So let's just wait for it real quick. And then right here, it is pretty fast. It just took a few seconds to upload or to generate the images right here. So as you can see, these are the images that generated. It looks very real. It doesn't look like AI. And yeah, that's basically it. You just type in any image that you want, or any video or any character that you would like to create, and basically it will just create, and it will give you 4 of them. So right here, you can just click on modify. So you can modify this one specifically and add specific elements to it, or you can make a video out of it, or you can make it a reference, or you can click on more like this and it will give you more images like this, and you can also favorite it, and then you can also download it if you like it. And then yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.